The village well. In the peaceful village of Sunnyvale, there was only one well that provided water to all the villagers. The well had never run dry, even in the hottest summers. But one year, the rains didn't come, and the well began to dry up. The villagers were worried. "What will we do without water?" asked Mr. Smith the farmer. "We must find a solution quickly," said Mrs. Green the baker. Everyone gathered in the village square to discuss. An old man named Grandpa Joe spoke up. "There's an ancient river that runs underground near the hill," he said. "If we dig together, we might find water." The villagers were unsure. "Digging a new well will take too much time," said one. "It's hard work," said another. But a young girl named Lily stood up and said, "If we work together, we can do it. I'll help dig." Inspired by her courage, the villagers agreed to try. Mr. Smith brought his shovel and started digging. Mrs. Green brought food and water to keep everyone energized. The children, including Lily, cleared away the dirt. Grandpa Joe guided them on where to dig. Day after day, the villagers worked together, taking turns and cheering each other on. At times, they felt tired and some wanted to give up. But Lily's determination kept them going. After a week of hard work, one of the villagers shouted, "I see water." Everyone rushed to see the sparkling water flowing into the well they had dug. They cheered and clapped, feeling proud of what they had achieved together. From that day on, the new well provided plenty of water for the village, even in dry seasons. Teamwork and determination can solve even the biggest problems.